Hey guys, I'm here today to help you with fixing charging issues with your phone, specifically your charging port. Sometimes you will notice your cable is not charging, or it's charging on and off, turn and off. It just doesn't want to consistently charge. A lot of people panic, think they got to go to Apple, fix their phone, or they got to replace the battery, replace the charging port. Before you do any of that, a couple quick tips that will save you time and money. I guarantee it, guys. I've tested it. I know. Cable, inspect it. Make sure it's not worn out. Make sure it's not loose in there. Check it on the other device. If that works, great. Next, check your charging cube or whatever you use and make sure that's functional. If that's all good, we move on to the next step, which is usually the fix itself. Turn off your phone. Get a wooden object, toothpick, something plastic, not metallic. You don't want to damage your phone. If you don't have it, use a paper clip. Just be cautious. In there's prongs that connect to your lightning cable. That's the two pieces that go together, these lines that charge your phone. They sit on the bottom here, meaning the back of the phone. So they sit on this side. The screen side is the dead side. There is nothing here on the inside. It's empty space that basically, keeps the cable tight against the other side to charge it. So I'm going to take my toothpick. I'm going to get in there and get out any gunk that's in there, which is usually lint, as you see here. This is what sits in your pocket and it over time gets in your phone. This is very common. This is what's preventing your cable from going in all the way to get a good connection. After that, blow in there, use the air gun if you have. Check your connection. If it's charging but it's still loose and it's still turning off, all right, step 2. If that wasn't enough, right? We need to make this connection tighter. The way we're going to do it is using some electrical tape. So remember, your connectors for the cable are on the bottom side over here. The screen side, the top here, is empty. That's where the tape is going to go to give you a tighter fit. Some people like to put crazy glue on your cable. The problem with that is if you put it on the wrong side, you can damage your charging ports on your phone. So I don't recommend using the glue. You can use all different types of tape. I found electrical tape to be the safest because it's meant to deal with electricity. I'm using the commercial electric brand. This is a 50-cent roll from Walmart or Home Depot. And the reason is it's a stiffer tape. When you get the higher quality 3M tapes, they are very flexible and mushy, which actually defeats the purpose here. Because when you shove this in your port, you want this to be stiff. So I'm going to take a piece of tape, about 1/4 inch wide for the port, 1/2 inch long. Remember, the screen side is the side that doesn't have the connector, so I'm going to put it in there. You're not going to damage your phone doing this. I had this question many times. Don't worry, it's just electrical tape. Even if you put it on the wrong side, you will not damage your phone. No fire will start, nothing like that. Using toothpick to just glue it in good. Excess here I'm going to cut off. The cool thing is when you put your case back on, it's going to hold the tape in even better. It's for a secure fit. So this is it. This is the fix. Now, when you put your cable in, you're going to have a snug fit. No wobble whatsoever. As you see, my phone is charging. It's not turning on and off anymore. And that's it. Same idea even with the old iPhone 4. There is gunk in there. Get all that out. Just make sure you are careful with that tab, as that is more prone to break than the new lightning connectors. As the tab goes inside that cable, right? This is the iPhone XS. Same idea. Check for the lint. The iPhone 12, 11, it doesn't matter what it is. This is the same issue with all these phones. If none of that worked, which I hardly doubt, 99% of the time this will be the fix, then you might have to change your actual charging port. There's videos out there for that. I will try to do one as well. That involves taking apart your phone. Some people are a little scared to do that when it's a $1,200 phone these days. Guys, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I got more coming. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Comment below with any questions. Thank you.